Alrighty, guys, we're taking this to a whole another level because a lot of people have been wanting to get coaching on AI, the right tools to use, and ads in order to get more freedom with their business or their life in general. There's 15 days left for the launch, but before we launch, we do have early access. So if you click down below or in the bio, you'll see early access for the Freedom Club. That will include ads training, sales training, AI training, how to use AI agents to do certain things, and most importantly, when you make all that dough, how to navigate taxes and build ultimate wealth like real estate and cryptocurrency and all this stuff. So if you want to join the Freedom Club as an affiliate, you get 80% payout every single month on every product that you promote, whether it's a low ticket, whether it's $4 or $4,000, the done for you program. If you are someone who's a setter, high ticket closer, this affiliate program is for you and this invite is for you. Welcome, and I can't wait to see you inside the Freedom Club. Peace out.